Well, it definitely looks like Disney Plus is going to be a big player in the streaming wars.
Xbox, Twitter, Uber,
Postmates,
Netflix, Movie Pass,
Google, Facebook, eBay,
DoorDash, Apple, Amazon, Airbnb,
the Apptrepreneur. Hey everyone, this is Kevin the Apptrepreneur. Hey, if this is your first time here and you happen to like this content and you want to see more like it, please do me a favor. Click that subscribe button and ring that bell notification. It helps us out. You get notifications when we put new videos. We talk about Uber, Lyft, Postmates, DoorDash, Amazon, Netflix, the streaming wars, and once in a while we even talk about video games. Not super frequently, but, you know, we do. So anyway, let's talk about the streaming wars today. Let's talk about Disney Plus, because Disney Plus, I've been enjoying Disney Plus. I'm a huge Disney fan. I know my viewers kind of, some of them aren't, some of them are just too busy driving Uber to watch Disney stuff, although now that you have Disney Plus, there's definitely an affordable way to do that. Now, the numbers have been staggeringly good. Like, already, like, on day one, they had 10 million subscribers to the service. 10 million subscribers, that's not nothing. And since then, Apple Store has logged in 15 million downloads. And according to this article, data shows that Disney Plus is adding 1 million new subscribers every day. This is pretty impressive. So, ever since Disney Plus launched early this month, it seemingly has been all anyone can talk about. Whether it's the near-endless collection of classic movies and cartoons, or the debut of Baby Yoda in The Mandalorian, or the lack of a few basic features, one of which was finally added today. By the way, that feature was the continue option. I couldn't believe that they didn't have that on day one, where after you watch an episode, it shows where you left off. I actually was like, for the first few days when I was watching shows, I actually was having to visually remember, what did I watch? Like, what was the last episode I watched? So, you know, I'm glad they added that. The streaming service has made a huge impact in a very short amount of time, and the early subscription numbers appear to be just as impressive. Citing numbers from research firm from Apptopia, the New York Post reports that Disney Plus app has been downloaded more than 15.5 million times since November 12th and has generated over 5 million through in-app purchases. I don't know what those in-app purchases are. I thought there was just the subscription, but maybe I'm wrong about that. Millions of people are not only downloading the app, but are also foregoing the free trial for a paid subscription. That's actually extremely impressive, because one of the things that I wanted to mention about the 10 million opening numbers is that we don't know how many of those are free trial. Like, they sign up for the 7-day free trial, and then they didn't continue. I actually do know someone who did this for 7 days, and then kind of told the kids, no, we're not going to continue to subscribe to it, mainly because he did not want all of that content with his kids. He wants to encourage them to go outside, so Disney Plus might be a once-in-a-while thing, and he's going to kind of stick with the DVDs for the time being to control their consumption, if you will. So anyway, but the fact that a lot of people are just foregoing the free trial, heck, I forego the free trial. I was a D23 member, I am a D23 member, and I got 3 years for $140. That's more or less $4 a month, so I just skipped the trial. What's there to think about? Like, I've got 3 years to decide whether I like it or not. So, the shows the company is going to be a legit competitor to the likes of Netflix, despite the skeptics that continue to doubt the House of Mouse. Wedbush analyst Dan Ives told the New York Post, the pricing, the content, and the bundling was just a pure genius strategy from Iger and Disney. Yeah, but here's the thing. I don't think anyone actually said that Disney Plus wouldn't be a competitor to Netflix. The story was Disney Plus was going to kill Netflix. And I don't see that happening. Netflix has content that is way different from Disney. Like, extremely different. Like, Disney, their big tentpole live-action Disney Plus original movie is Lady and the Tramp, which is okay, to be frank. I prefer the animated movie, of course, but, you know. Netflix's big live-action push this weekend is The Irishman by Martin Scorsese. And the week Disney Plus launched, Netflix dropped Klaus, which, by the way, is a much, much better animated film than Frozen 2. Not a Frozen hater, please keep that in mind. Frozen is actually one of my favorite Disney movies of all time. Frozen 2, not so much. I will link to the print review below so that you can read that one if you want. So that was what the story was, that Disney Plus was going to be a Netflix killer. They never said it wasn't going to be a competitor. Of course it was going to be a competitor. It's Disney, and they've got Star Wars and Marvel. Anyway, Disney Plus managed to recruit over 10 million subscribers first day of operation, which was undoubtedly helped by all the deals that popped up online ahead of the service's launch. Yep, I got a great deal on that. Disney has also partnered up with Verizon to give free Disney Plus subscriptions to all Fios and unlimited wireless customers. Apptopia only keeps track of mobile data, so there's no telling how many people are signing up through other means. And yeah, we also don't know how many of these subscriptions are, in fact, Verizon customers. We just don't know that. Finally, Apptopia data suggests that the Disney bundle, which includes subscriptions to Disney Plus, Hulu, and ESPN Plus for $12.99 a month, has been a popular choice for consumers, as well as Hulu app downloads are up 55% in the past 2 weeks, and ESPN app downloads are up 50% over the same stretch. Yeah, well, here's the thing. I will probably never do that bundle for one simple purpose. I don't watch ESPN. I don't watch sports. Do not like them. Could care less, to be perfectly frank. Now, if the bundle was cheaper than getting them individually, then maybe I would go with it just because I'm cheap. But I would never use the ESPN Plus app. So, while it's far too early to determine whether or not Disney Plus can be a Netflix killer, it has certainly established a foothold in the crowded streaming market. Oh no, Disney Plus will be fine. It's not going to kill Netflix, though. It's going to take a lot more than Disney Plus to kill Netflix. And we're going to have to see how people respond, because, again, we have HBO Max on the way. Apple TV Plus is a thing. It's not very well received, and, I mean, even me and Katie, we're kind of like, we like the morning show, and I like Snoopy in Space, but not a whole lot more than that. They don't have much going on. So anyway, these are ultimately very good numbers for Disney. Now again, I've been enjoying the service. I've actually been binge watching the DuckTales reboot recently. We also have been watching The Mandalorian. I'm not as big a fan as The Mandalorian. It's not that it's a bad show, but how should I put this? It uses its time very, very poorly. So there's that. But anyway, yeah, good news for Disney. I don't know if this is good news for consumers, because, again, the streaming wars, the reason this is going to be so fascinating is it's going to get expensive. Disney Plus is not going to be $7 a month forever, and more services are coming. Heck, Peacock, NBC's little app, is coming, and they're going to be launching basically on the strength of The Office and Parks and Recreation. And, yeah, you just have to wonder, where does it stop? When's it too much for consumers? And that's kind of what I'm keeping an eye on. But apparently a lot of consumers really do like Disney Plus. But anyway, that's where we are going to end this Saturday video. What do you all think? Do you have Disney Plus? Are you going to subscribe? Are you enjoying it? I would love to know. Comment below. Like, favorite, share, subscribe. If you enjoy my videos, consider becoming a Patreon member. It's totally optional, of course, but even as little as $1 a month goes a long way to helping the channel run smoothly. And you can get access to my Patreon exclusive blog. If gas prices are getting a little down, check out the Get Up site up below. It's totally free, but you get cash back on every gas purchase. If you want more content from me, check out Kevin T. Rodriguez, the Apptrepreneur vlogs, and Autograph Hound YouTube channels. And finally, if you want to talk to me or other fellow Disney fans out there who have Disney Plus, check us out the Apptrepreneur Hangouts on Facebook. And as always, flame responsibly. Have a good one.